Okay, Joan, now that we've learned how to measure inside a window, let's talk about how to measure for outside window treatments.
Okay.
So in most commercial applications, we usually have drywall right up to the edge of the window. Sometimes you'll have a wood frame around the window, but in most buildings I see, we're using a lot of drywall right up to the edge of the glass. So therefore, to do an outside measurement, we're going to measure the glass right at the edge of where the drywall starts. So here we have our window with our butting right up against our drywall.
So we're going to pretend that this frame is actually glass.
Glass,
and
exactly.
And the drywall comes right up to here, and this is part of the window?
Yep, perfect. Okay. So we're going to start at the top again, and we're going to take 3 measurements. We're going to start at the top and go nice and straight across. We're going from the edge of the glass to the other edge of the glass, and we're going to write that measurement down. So what's our top width, Joe?
35 3/4.
Okay, let's go down towards the middle. We're going to go nice and straight across. And what's our measurement there?
That is also 35 3/4.
Okay, perfect. I wrote that down, and let's go one more measurement across the bottom.
And 35 3/4 again.
Perfect. Now we know that our glass measures 35 3/4, but we want to have complete coverage of this window so no sunlight can slip in sideways.
Oh, great.
So our recommendation in our industry is that you go 2 to 3 inches past the glass on each side with your blind so that we have complete coverage and no sun's going to leak in. So I'm going to say we're going to add 2 inches to each side of our measurement, and we had 35 3/4. I'm going to add 4 inches on the width. So that makes our total width we want our blind to be 39 3/4 inches.
Great.
Okay? So we have our width measurement. Let's go on to our height.
Okay.
So we're going to go to the top of the glass, clear to the bottom of the glass where we want the blind to end. It never hurts if you want to go a little bit past the glass at the bottom, you can. That's your personal choice. For this training video, we're going to go just to the bottom of the glass. So
and again, we're pretending that this frame is glass. Part of the glass.
Yes. So
the drywall stops right here.
Drywall's right up to the edge.
Okay.
So we're at the top edge of the glass. We're going completely to the bottom. Nice and straight. And I have 23 on the left side. And 23 in the middle. And what do you have over there, Joe, on the right?
Okay. Looking like 23 1/2, actually.
Okay, so we're just a little bit longer on the right side. So on an outside measurement for height, we always want to take the longest measurement so that we have the complete glass covered.
Gotcha.
So in addition to that 23 1/2 inch of glass, we're going to go ahead and mount the blind up above the glass. So we need to add 3 inches onto that height to allow for us to hang that headrail up here, and then the blind goes and covers the glass. So our height measurement was 23 1/2. We're going to add 3 inches, and where are we at?
26 1/2.
Excellent.
Hey, I paid attention in math class.
So our height on the window, what we're going to make the blind is 26 1/2. So now we have the width is 39 3/4, and the height is 26 1/2. We don't need a depth measurement because it's outside.
Right.
We're all set to order that blind. Just remember, make sure you document the room that you're in, taking the measurement, and which window. And remember, Joe, we're starting left to right.
Left to right.
1, and continue around the room, and then continue through the rest of the building, just notating where you're at.
Excellent. So if you're going to be ordering some window treatments from us, we have some literature that can actually help you with this entire process. So just click the link on your screen, and you can download all those documents. There'll be a sheet that can help you document the measurements, and also some information that will help you decide whether to do an inside or an outside mount.
Perfect.
Thank you, Rebecca from Graber, for coming in and helping us. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.